Alright, today I got a new package in. Something that's much needed. Let's open it up. This is the new Compex Edge 2.0, I believe. It comes with tins. It's a muscle stimulator. It's good for power, endurance, speed, strength, and recovery. And there's other features with it that I really won't get into, but let's open it up. They were having a sale for 50% off. Well, 60% off because they gave an extra 10% and got free extra electrode pads. Looks like in the box you have the unit itself. It comes with a rechargeable battery. And little instructions on how to put the battery in. Alright, in the rest of the box we have AC charging cable. It's like a quick start guide with a placement chart. And it says it has a 3-year warranty. We've got a Compex branded carrying bag for the unit. We've got Self-Adhesive Electrodes. These look 2" by 2". Another quantity of 4 2" by 2". 2 by 4" with 2 in it. And another 2" by 4" with 2 in it. And it looks like all the electrode cables. It looks like all the cable leads are color coded. I think on the unit, these are the color codings of each lead that goes into it. Let's boot it up. Ta-da! Looks like we have a endurance, a resistance, a training recovery, and a pain relief tins. Alright, the only thing I see without trying it out just yet, and I've never tried one of these. I've had some muscle stim stuff at myofascial physical therapist, but I've never used a Compex unit or any of the other brands. But the only thing I see I really don't like is it's not a lithium ion battery, it's a NiCad, and they are not known for being the best batteries, which is kind of weird at this day and age that somebody would still be using a NiCad battery. See? So let me read about this and we'll get it hooked up, try it out. Something else that disappoints me is that on their website for Compex, they have the different placement for the pads. So I want to put it on my traps. That is a tiny picture. I know I have a big monitor, but I would expect to have a better visual and a larger size so people could see. I know I'm getting old, but picture this big, well, something like this big. It says before you put the pads on to clean the area with alcohol. I have these little like alcohol strip lens cleaner for cameras. So let's use this. Clean off the area. So here is a 2x4. It comes on this self-sticky. They're connected. So I guess when you're done, you put them back on the little strip. Let's see if this is supposed to go. I better connect the leads first. Okay, it does have black, black, red, red. So this one in particular says 2 blacks. Okay, I could actually do both sides, but we're gonna start with one side to test it out. Now for the 2x2s. They seem to easily snap on. really almost need a buddy for this. I'm starting in the hardest location because that's what's hurting. We'll go down to training recovery. Cute little animation. There it goes. Start. So it gives you levels per lead that you can increase the intensity of it. I'm at 22 right now. Sorry for shaking. So I'm going to try this out. Well, actually, I'm trying it out, but I'm going to hook up the other side, let it run its cycle, and I'll give my feedback and what I think about it. Got a nice. Curious how to work on my hamstrings. Not an easy way to sit down. I guess I'll have to lay face down for that. All right, I have about 3 minutes left on this training recovery. I've got it on both. Got it on both sides of my traps and scap. Currently it's at 54. It's shaking my entire body. It's a little funky. It's almost like someone's either punching you and like every minute it switches down and goes to a different type of pulse. See that? I think I'm gonna try the lower back next. Alright, it's been 2 weeks since 2 weeks or so since I've had my Compex Edge. I've used it for recovery and a few other things. Amazing unit. It's done wonders, so I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have muscle soreness from training or working out or walking upstairs, I highly recommend it. So order you one. That's going to be it for this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the little bell. It all helps. Thanks.